Stratus is multifaceted. It hits the 3 points that we've wanted to focus on, which is versatility, affordability, and a very easy to use user interface. And because it hits all 3 of those points, it's the perfect stand-in for a pedal board, it's the perfect addition to a pedal board, and it's a lot of fun to play with. So along with the versatile effects chain, we also have a looper and a tuner built right into the pedal. The looper is in the knob, so there's actually a switch in the knob, and the LEDs will tell you when you're recording, when you're playing back, and when you're overdubbing. Right now, we have about 14 fully functional effects implemented, a multitude of drives, reverb, chorus, flanger, and all of the demos for those effects are available already if you want to check them out. So Stratus is for anyone, but we're really gearing it towards the practicing guitarist, the at-home guitarist, or the guitarist that wants a versatile solution to put on their existing pedal board. If you want to record in a DAW software, you can use Stratus right there on your desktop to experiment with different sounds in a matter of minutes. Or you can put it on your existing pedal board and get that Swiss Army knife. It's very versatile, and it's up to the user how they want to use it, but that's who we're gearing it towards.
And in a blind test, I think it would be really hard to tell whether you're playing through the Stratus or an analog overdrive pedal into an amp.
It's going to be awesome to pay for one pedal instead of 15 pedals to make a whole pedal board.
The ability to get to add a lot of different effects and try out a pedal board, just having everything on your phone and getting to try that is amazing.
A whole pedal board with the sounds anywhere you want in such a small pedal platform. Man, I'm really looking forward to getting mine, and I think I'm going to take it everywhere I go. Super stoked.
So I think people get Stratus initially with the intention of, hey, I want a really affordable replacement for a pedal board for practice, or I want a nice addition to my pedal board. But once they start using the interface in the app and find out how easy it is to experiment with different sounds, it's just a lot of fun to play with, and that's why people continue to pick it up and use it. And we pour hours and hours into the design and the development, but that's what we enjoy doing, is we enjoy creating this and bringing it closer and closer to market. We know that Stratus is the solution to a major problem that we've identified with a multitude of different guitarists, and the only way to bring Stratus to market is through a group effort. We are relying on the funding to finalize this design and to bring it to market and start shipping out, and the only way to do that is with a successful Kickstarter campaign. I want our early stage backers to look back a few years from now and be amazed at how far we've come as a company once Stratus is a household name.